This is the picture of Flash. And this is the Toyota Rush, a collaboration of Toyota and Daihatsu, the latest addition to Toyota's Philippines lineup. Bakit nga ba nasama si Flash? Guys, gagamitin natin ang bilis ni Flash dahil sa dami ng features nito ay makakagalan pa kayo sa video ito. Meron siyang auto LED headlamps with line guide, smoke chrome grille, paglamps, sporty resin protectors, and under garnish 17 alloy wheels for G grade, sleek character side lines, Optitron meter gauge with information display, 7-inch touchscreen audio system. 12 volts accessory socket. 12 volts accessory socket. Another one. 12 volts accessory socket. Spacious 7-seater cabin. Spacious luggage compartment. Auto climate control. 8 Bluetooth speaker. Grabe guys, napagod na po ako. Sa sobrang dami ng features, babasahin ko na lang po sa inyo kasi inabot na po tayo ng gabi. Ito pa, additional features, meron siyang 220mm ground clearance, meron siyang vehicle stability control, traction control, rear wheel drive, hill start assist control, emergency stop signal and sonar sensor, 6 SRS airbags, reverse camera with guidelines, seatbelt reminder, 1.5 dual VVTi 1, 2 and RVE engine, front suspension, MacPherson strut, rear suspension, 5-link rear suspension. Kapagod, di ko pala kaya maging Flash. And the best sa lahat, ang Toyota Rush, tested on April 2018. Meron siyang 5-star for Asian NCAP. Di nyo alam yun, no? Ibig sabihin, the Rush scored a perfect 5 out of 5-star rating in the new car assessment program for Southeast Asian countries. Asian NCAP, the region's leading automobile safety rating program.